remember you're an Instagram model. That's how you got this job.
All right, everyone, quiet on set. Here we go. We only have one take, so let's get this right. And action.
Cool.
What?
You think I want to find out about her?
Find out about who?
Tiffany.
Tiffany?
Tiffany.
Yeah, she's my second cousin.
Oh yeah, you take her out to a fancy dinner? And
Well,
you take me
yeah,
out to
I mean, she was in
McDonald's?
town for like the. Okay, look,
No,
look,
no.
look, look, it's fine. Okay, look,
No.
I'll take you to dinner. All right, I'll take you.
Oh man, I'm tired. I wish I got more sleep last night. I also skipped breakfast this morning. Man, am I hungry. Maybe I'll grab some pizza after this. Pizza My Heart or Woodstocks? I mean, everyone's all crazy about Woodstocks, but I'm more of a Pizza My Heart guy myself. I don't know, maybe I'll give Woodstocks a try sometime. But I only have one punch left on my Pizza My Heart card until I get a free soda with my meal. And their soda machine has so many options. It's fantastic. Sorry, Woodstocks. Maybe next time. I have an itch behind my right knee. Really? Why does this have to happen right now of all times during the shoot? Alright, maybe no one will notice if I just scratch it real fast. Yeah, it'll be nonchalant. No one will even notice. Alright, here we go.
Good riddance.
Oh,
And cut. That's a wrap. Brilliant work, everyone. And cut. That's a wrap. Brilliant work, everyone.
Oh wait, let me... And... It's all ruined! Hey you!
Yeah?
We don't have much time, but we need to recreate the audio from the shoot.
What part?
All of it. Come on!
What happened? Okay. What do you mean we don't have any sound? It's due in less than 4 hours.
Okay, out of the way, intern. What kind of sounds are there on up here? We're just gonna have to re-record it.
There's the seagulls,
Seagulls.
the waves,
Waves.
the wind.
Whoa, slow down. And go.
Don't forget the footsteps.
Footsteps.
There's the slap scene.
Ooh, I'm gonna have a fun time with that.
Water.
Water.
Wait, so we don't have any dialogue at all between the two characters?
No, we don't. We're just gonna have to re-record it. Interns.
Better get started then.
Alright, better get started then. Let's go.
caw, 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 caw.
Alright, check out this real wave action.
Caw, caw.
No, it's like this. No, read my lips. What are you doing?
I'm doing the footstep scene.
No, put your shoes on your hands. Don't you get how Foley works?
Oh, okay.
Come on. Recording, and let's do this. Alright, and you ready?
I think so.
Alright. No, maybe left hand. No, okay.
Do it already.
That seemed pretty good. So we're just gonna go through the lines. You channel your Nicole, I'll channel my Amanda. Alright, ready?
Cool. Ah, Amanda.
Alright, we got everything on the list except for room tone.
Remind me again, what's room tone?
Room tone is silent background noise. I need complete silence.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, here we go. you doing?
Nothing all about.
Done with you.
Welcome, everyone. Tonight, you will all witness one of my finest directorial works to date. Of all my past projects, none has brought me as much pride as this film. Of course, I couldn't have done it without every single one of my cast and crew. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I present the textbook.
You thought I wouldn't find out about her?
About who?
Tiffany.
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 She's my second cousin.
Yeah.
I took her out to celebrate her
You
birthday.
took her to a fancy restaurant.
Why are you
took me
yelling
to
at me?
McDonald's. I don't know why you're
Okay,
saying.
next time we'll go to Wendy's. Come here, give me a
Okay,
hug.
you kind of smell weird. Good
Ah!
riddance. Last time I ever date a guy who takes me to McDonald's.
Hi, Mom.
What on earth was that?
Okay, you know that intern? It's kind of his fault.